Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to convert your pictures to cartoon pictures. So first go to App Store and in the search bar search for Romania, and here click download. After downloading, click open and then click allow, then get started, then continue, allow full access. Here select your gender and here click AI animal tone filter. Click try this now, close this window, no thanks, and here select your picture that you want to convert to cartoons. For example, I select this picture, then click upload your selfie. Close this window. And finally, he converts the picture before and after. So you can select any animals you want, just click pick animals, and for example here you can choose any animals you want. For example, I choose raccoon, regenerate, and this is the picture before, after. Perfect. Then click this icon to save the picture to gallery. So come back to your gallery, photos, and you will find your picture. So thank you so much for watching me. See you to the next video.